Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer funds from Phantom Wallet to your bank account. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is open your Phantom app on your mobile device, select the token that you would like to actually transfer, and then you need to click on send. You now need to paste your exchange deposit address and then confirm your transfer. So you need to use the correct token that is specific for your deposit address to avoid any permanent loss of funds. Use your exchange's trading platform to sell your Solana or whatever else you would like to sell, and then you will select your other tokens for USD, Euro, or anything else, depending on where you're at. And then you need to just be mindful of trading fees and current market volatility when timing your sale. You then need to link your bank account if you're not already done so, initiate the withdrawal, and funds will typically arrive within minutes to the latest or longest 24 hours. Processing time does vary by exchange as well as your region. Now, some of the popular exchanges you could use is Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and other reputable platforms with KYC or AML compliance, which offer secure crypto to bank transfers. I hope this was helpful.